Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Dobermans that are available on the market for their true quality. This list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Eukanuba Adult Large Breed Dry Dog Food. Eukanuba Adult Large Breed Dry Dog Food emerges as a top contender in the realm of canine nutrition, particularly for owners seeking exceptional sustenance for their large breed companions. The blend of high-quality chicken as the primary ingredient ensures that dogs receive premium protein critical to maintaining robust muscles. Active adults will benefit greatly from this formula, powered by an adept mix of fats and carbohydrates designed to sustain their energetic lifestyles. Beyond mere muscle health, this dog food attends to overall vitality with thoughtful ingredients like DHA and vitamin E, which support sharp mental function, an aspect often overlooked in pet nutrition. Additionally, it's formulated with glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate, a boon for large breeds prone to joint issues, aimed at preserving mobility into a dog's mature years. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food. Hill's Science Diet Dry Dog Food for adults with sensitive stomachs and skin is a thoughtful choice for dog owners seeking to ensure the best care for their pets. Recognized for its high-quality, USA-made ingredients, this chicken and barley recipe stands strong as our number 2 selection on the list due to its specialized formulation that supports digestive health and skin nourishment. The inclusion of prebiotic fiber not only fosters a balanced gut microbiome, but also makes nutrient absorption more efficient, a boon for your dog's overall well-being. The product shines with vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids, vital components in maintaining your canine companion's shiny coat and healthy skin. Owners can take comfort in knowing they're offering a meal that mitigates digestion issues while simultaneously enhancing their pet's appearance. One particularly compelling story involves a Doberman owner who switched to Hill's after witnessing her dog struggle with other brands. She reported not just an improved coat sheen, but also noted her pup had fewer upset stomach incidents. At number 3, we have the Purina Pro Plan Wet Dog Food. Purina Pro Plan Sport high-protein beef and bison entree wet dog food is a premium choice for dog owners seeking to provide their active and athletic canines with tailored nutrition. As the leading ingredient, real beef packs a robust punch of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining strong muscles and energetic breeds like Dobermans. Complementing the beef, bison offers a unique twist on taste that discerning dogs may find irresistible. This 13 ounces can is more than just meat. It's fortified with 23 vital vitamins and nutrients, ensuring your furry friend gets a well-rounded meal. This wet dog food stands out not just for its protein content, but also for promoting healthy hydration, a crucial aspect often overlooked in canine diets. The pate's texture encourages even picky eaters to lap up every bite along with beneficial moisture content, which keeps them well hydrated throughout their active days. Balanced by antioxidants that support immune health, Purina Pro Plan Wet Dog Food serves as an excellent standalone meal or as an appetizing topper over dry kibble. Versatility that suits any feeding routine while fostering peak performance from backyard activities to trips with Ducks Unlimited. At number 2, we have the Ketona Chicken Recipe Adult Dry Dog Food. Ketona Chicken Recipe Adult Dry Dog Food presents a revolutionary approach to canine nutrition, paralleling the benefits of a raw diet through its high-protein, low-carb formulation. With an impressive 46% protein content, sourced from non-GMO, antibiotic-free chicken raised by American ranchers committed to sustainable practices. This dry dog food offers a robust foundation for maintaining lean muscle mass and supporting active lifestyles commonly seen in breeds like Dobermans. The meticulous crafting of Ketona underlines Daniel Schulhoff's expertise. His vision blends scientific rigor with practical pet care. The grain-free recipe stands out with less than 6% starch and an almost negligible sugar percentage, 0.5%, making it an exceptional choice for dog owners concerned about diabetes or weight management. This composition significantly slashes the carbohydrate content, offering 85% fewer carbs than other leading grain-free brands, a feature that promotes better digestion and mimics the natural diet dogs would have in the wild. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rachael Nutrish Premium Natural Dry Dog Food. Rachael Nutrish Premium Natural Dry Dog Food is a smart choice for pet owners who prioritize their dog's health and vitality. With real beef as the number 1 ingredient, this recipe offers an excellent source of high-quality protein to help maintain your furry friend's lean muscle mass. The inclusion of peas and brown rice not only provides essential fiber for robust digestive health, but also ensures your dog receives steady energy throughout the day, keeping them playful and ready for adventure. This premium dog food goes beyond basic nutrition with its whole health blend, a thoughtful addition that delivers omega-3 fatty acids from fish oil to nurture an active mind, coupled with antioxidants comparable to those in superfoods for optimal body health. Tailored specifically to adult dogs, this formula is fortified with added vitamins, minerals, and taurine, each playing a pivotal role in supporting overall well-being. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.